HadinEEon Milk Frother, 17.0 ounces 3.4 ounces electric milk frother steamer stainless steel automatic hot-cold milk frother and warmer for coffee, latte, cappuccinos or hot chocolates, 650W 120V, white. Cafe quality at home, HadinEEon Milk Frother provides consistent results every time. It creates a rich, smooth, velvety and creamy froth. With this milk steamer you can enjoy delicious coffees such as luxurious lattes, cappuccinos, mocha hot chocolates and macchiatos, while at home every morning. 17 ounces largest milk frother. This milk frother heats up to 17.0 oz, 500 milliliters, milk and froths up to 8.5 oz, 250 milliliters, around 4 cups for latte, cappuccino or hot chocolates. The Min 3.4 oz, 100 milliliters, milk frother is also great for 1 cup coffee. Designed for coffee lovers. 3 options in one machine, this electric milk frother provides 3 results. Frothing cold milk, frothing, and heating milk simultaneously, and heating milk by itself. It will warm the milk to the ideal temperature of approximately 65-150 every time. Note, the machine doesn't refrigerate milk. Fast and auto shut off in less than 2 minutes and you will get a divinely creamy, hot or cold milk foam, or just warm milk. It also operates super fast and quietly. The milk foamer will also auto shut off when the operation is done. Definitely worth it for your morning coffee, easy to use and simple to clean. The milk frother works with almost all types of milk such as whole milk, coconut milk, and almond milk etc. The high-quality stainless steel is made with a non-stick coating which helps make cleaning the milk frother super easy. Simply rinsing with water and wiping with a clean cloth is enough to clean the machine. Note, the button and the base are not waterproof. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.